it was definitely not the end to the motocross season that KTM wanted, with Chase Sexton already not racing, Tom Vial deciding not to race Moto 2, and then Julien Beaumer having his big crash, which caused a red flag. And in abnormal PR from this sport, we have a pretty quick quote from Ian Harrison saying, quote, "The morning qualifying started pretty well for us at Budds Creek. It was nice to see Julien maintain the pace he had at Unadilla, while Tom seemed to find a groove as the lap times of the top 10 were super close. Tom pulled 2 fantastic starts to Moto 1 after the first race was red flagged and was running out front before he made a mistake and fell down. From there, as the moto went on, he seemed to lose pace, while Julien was the opposite as he gained speed towards the end. After the race, Julien requested a couple of bike changes, while Tom decided he would sit out race 2 after lacking confidence in his setup, so he called it a day. In the second race, Julien ended up having a big wreck in front of the mechanics area and unfortunately was concussed. All in all, it wasn't a great day for us, although at least everyone is in one piece and I'm grateful for that." Now, obviously, who knows where this falls? I don't know where Julien falls into the SMX playoffs side of things, or Tom Vial. Well, he won his championship, so he definitely should be in. It's just one of those. And last race, I mean, for Vial, what does it even mean for him to be in there? And it sucks to be Julien because, well, concussion, so there's protocol, and how long is he going to be off the bike? Is he going to be ready for SMX playoffs? If he's in the SMX playoffs, somebody do, again, the math down below. It just kind of sucks. I mean, it's one of those last race things that doesn't matter for anybody. Nobody's going to gain or lose anything in Moto 2. You know, you're all in or out at that point. And to come out of this with a concussion, who knows? Sucks to see, but it's one of those things. Racing, just crashes happen, injuries happen, and who knows? But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Did you like this motocross season? Are you happy it's over? Are you glad Deegan and Lawrence won? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.